This video will guide you through the steps necessary to ensure a perfect fit for your new Vikingbags Enduro Saddlebag. Follow these steps to properly secure your bag, and you'll be ready to ride. Your new Enduro Saddlebag includes the following hardware: left and right saddlebags, with 2 seat straps and 1 hooking strap. The Enduro Saddlebags can be quickly and easily installed without additional tools. Place the Enduro Saddlebags on top of the rear seat and fender to find the mounting position. Clip the metal hooks underneath the lip of the rear fender on each side, and pull the straps until the hooks hold securely onto the fender. Run the front strap on the left bag around the bike's left subframe tube below the side panel. Route it around the tube from the inside and around to the outside of the tube to the buckle on the bag. Once buckled, pull the straps to tighten. Repeat this process on the right side of the bike and bag. Make sure that the front strap is as far from the exhaust as possible when you route it around the subframe tube. Please consult the installation information included with your new Vikingbags product to ensure a safe and proper fit. Your new Enduro saddlebags are now mounted, and you're ready to ride.